Bill Dabney again at Bob Hook Chevrolet. Wanted to highlight one of our used pre-owned full-size SUVs. So right here we've got a 2019 Chevrolet Tahoe. It's a top-of-the-line vehicle. It's a Premiere. And as I begin to kind of go over a Tahoe, it's kind of like, what can you say about a Tahoe? I mean, a Tahoe is, to me, is just the ultimate SUV. Again, being a Premiere Tahoe, we're looking at the wheels. We got a set of 22-inch chrome wheels. As we go alongside here, you can tell we got the adjustable, retractable steps, which once you open up the door, the steps retract. When you shut the door, they automatically go back in, which is a nice feature. Always you got a power lift gate. So you hit the remote twice, it's gonna raise up the power lift gate. In this particular vehicle right now, the third row seats are folded down just to give you an idea of how much room you got, or how much extra room you could have if you fold the seats down. Also, this vehicle comes with the floor liners, and it's got all 3 rows of floor liners are back there. Hit the button twice, and it'll close the power lift gate. So again, I want to just emphasize, this is an extra clean vehicle. I mean, as I walked around it, there's hardly any scratches on it at all. As I move on the inside of it, just to show you how much room is inside, let's open up this second row. And looking on the inside in the second row, typically you would have captain's chairs, but this happens to be one which has the bench seat, which makes this an 8-passenger seating. You got a little button right here that will fold the seat down, and hit it twice and it'll fold the seat up for easy entrance to get back here to the third row. I would get back here, but seeing how those seats are folded down, I'm not gonna try to do that. All right, I'm just gonna shut it back down, push it down real hard and fold it back up. I'm gonna move up to the front seat. When I get inside the front seat, again, this is a Premiere. This vehicle has all types of equipment. One of the nice features that's not always common on a Tahoe, this one has the heads-up display, which is over on the dashboard. All right, it will show you the speedometer. It also will show you, if you put it on, you can put it on a feature where to show you what radio channel is playing. Just a really nice feature. You can adjust it, the height of it for where you want it in the windshield. This vehicle has all of the safety features on it. You got lane departure warning, forward collision alert. It's got the blind spot mirrors. Obviously, it's got a heated steering wheel, which is really nice. Heated and cooled seats are right here. You got your driving passenger side air controls. Just really, really nicely equipped. You got your phone chargers right there in the armrest. Comes with a sunroof, 1-button push, opens up the sunroof, has a nice little net that pops up to keep the bugs from coming in. 1-button close. You got a couple of USBs, really deep storage, a couple of more USBs inside the armrest. It does come with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is a nice feature. Also has the hideaway storage just back there. If you want to put something back in the back. There's also a way that you can program it and lock that screen so it doesn't open up. Power folding mirrors, fold your mirrors in if you're in a tight spot. Okay, as I'm wrapping this up, again, if you're looking for a full-size SUV with 8-passenger seating, with nicely equipped, low miles, 1 owner, this is the vehicle. Again, a 2019 Tahoe Premiere. If you have any questions at all, please give me a call at Bob Hook Chevrolet. Again, it's Bill Dabney, 499-0800. Thanks again.